I'm going to be showing you how to add audio or music into your YouTube videos. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into YouTube and search up non-copyright music so you don't get copyrighted. But I just searched aesthetic because I don't know, I like those sounds. So basically you're going to want to pick the sound you want to use for your video. Then you're going to screen record it for however long you want the sound to be. So I just picked Call Me. It's pretty popular, you might have heard it. Alright, so now that you've screen recorded that, you're going to open an app called MP3 Converter, then press the little plus, and then press import from camera roll, and then you're going to press the screen recording that you just took, and it's going to take you here, and then you're also going to press the screen recording you just took. Try and find it if you have more, but then you're going to press on it and press convert, and then default mode, and then you might get ads, but just wait till you can exit out of them. So then you're going to be taken here, and you're also going to press the screen recording, and then press open in, and then scroll through the apps until you find iMovie, and then it'll open to iMovie. Then it'll take you here and select the movie that you want to add your audio to, and then the audio should just drop right in. So now that you have that, you can actually drag the audio to make it the same length as your video, so it's the same size as the video. Alright, so some other things you can do with the audio is you can speed up the audio or slow down the audio. You can also change the volume of the audio, so that's also really cool. That's a really cool thing you can do in iMovie. Now, if you have more and maybe they're not showing up or you just want to find them, you can actually press the little plus button, go to audio, go to my music, then go to imported, and they should all be there. So that's really cool.
And it goes a little something like